Alright, well, we are back out here at our little cabin that we are remodeling. So I have not been out here very much at all. I keep saying that, but I just haven't. Things just have not lined up for me to be out here. So this last video came out of here. We poured the concrete the end of the Friday of last week, and this is now Tuesday. So we brought a bunch more lumber out, our car siding, and they've got pretty much all the walls done. They have the ceiling done. So now we are working on finishing some of the rough end plumbing so we can get the walls up. So we got the washer and dryer somewhat hooked up. Got our toilet drain stepped over. Got our shower stuff. We got the pressure tank set. And Clayton now is cleaning up everything just so we can make it easier. Zach's coming in. We're gonna put a slider right there. And we're gonna work on putting the cabinetry in here. So that way that we run our car siding above it. And we still gotta bring water lines and stuff down yet. But it's all turning out real good. I'll do my best to do some filming, but I don't have a tripod. I forgot. I got 3 of them. 2 of them are in my shop, and 1 of them I threw away. It's a piece of junk. So, yeah, this place is really starting to turn out really good. It's got a really good view. We got the all the debris and stuff burnt. Still got a little bit of pickup out here. And Zach got all the new windows in. He got quite a bit of the fascia wrapped. We still got a good bit of soffit work left, but she's coming together real good. So we'll catch up with you guys here. So it's a new day. I didn't get a whole lot done yesterday, or filming wise. So today we're running car siding. Zach got the shower basin. He's working on that wall. Got the drywall up for the surrounds. Tyler and Clayton are both running car siding over there. And we're gonna start running up that wall. Alright, so we're back from lunch. Coming together pretty good. We're almost to a stopping point on this. We are until we do a little bit more wiring for a porch light. Tyler and Clayton are working on doing that wall. Zach and me are working on putting the new slider in so that wall can go up. And then this wall here is ran up as high as it can go because we got to get rid of the drywall. The owner changed his mind at last minute. And then we still got to put a box on this wall for our power yet. But so we have to do both sides of this one and this whole wall. So we'll throw you guys up here. guys smelling? Alright, so we're getting ready to run this wall up. And then the bathroom, other than the tops over there, is done. But this is going to be the tricky one. There's going to be a bunch of cuts in there. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got the majority of the shiplap done. Got it all done in this room. We got this little bit of the wall left. That whole wall. We got the stub wall done. And we gotta cut the top of that drywall out so we can finish running the car siding all the way around. And then we got just that little bit left right there. So that's gonna be a wrap for this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you the next time we're out here.